All right, where are we?
We are on the Dallas Pedestrian Network by
See if this is a West. This is either Westie or Schindler. We'll see.
It has a new motor and controller. They replaced the controller. Beautiful.
This is probably a Schindler, but that light is not very beautiful.
Go down to
This is
B.
beautiful. Nicest elevator in Dallas. Nicer than the Anvil.
All right, let's listen to
Workless
this.
works. Prepare for a motor that's going to change your life.
All right, check the phone box before we go. This is not a Schindler or Westie controller.
Okay,
All right,
ready?
send me 3, press store close.
That's going to
listen.
change your life.
Let's listen to it.
Faster going up than it is going
Epic
down.
motor.
It changed my
great
life.
motor.
This changed my life.
What do you say, Steven?
This elevator changed my life.
This elevator's amazing.
That's it.
That'll be it.
Wow.